Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, speak out. I'm saying good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Just tell me what period you had. What period you had before my class?
Ma'am, English literature.
Morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, English literature.
English
Good
literature.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. I posted my link at 11:10 and my class was supposed to start at 11:20. You people came, marked attendance, started joining the link. So you left the previous class.
No, ma'am.
We just ma'am, at 11:21 the English literature class.
No. You people immediately you started writing and then two of you even joined my link. So did you leave your class? I'm talking about Srishti, Yash. 11. The time was 11:11. Srishti and Yash.
Ma'am, those two must have not joined the previous class.
Yes, ma'am.
They must have not joined the previous class. I was just wondering that why this is happening. Why you people are leaving 10 minutes early. Teachers are supposed to post the link early, but that does not mean that as soon as the link is posted, your class is going to start beta. You have the bell timings with you? Was it posted on your class groups?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So please follow that. Please follow that. Do not create any confusions for yourself. So now you are in which class?
Ma'am, 10th.
Ma'am, 10th.
Okay. So what does class 10th mean for you? Tell me one by one. Let's
Ma'am,
first
board
talk a little bit. Board examination. Perfect.
Ma'am,
Others,
future.
future, board examination. And I'm asking others also. Tell me, Daksh Kumar, what does class 10th mean for you?
Ma'am, pardon me, I could not hear.
What does class 10th mean for you? How is it different from the previous class?
Ma'am, it is the class which decides our future.
Oh, wow. Stuti, what is the significance of class 10th in a student's life?
Ma'am, I don't feel any importance.
You don't feel any importance. There is no importance of class 10.
Just
And what is the
education
importance?
and memories of school, like all the classes.
Like all other classes. But
Yes, ma'am.
is it a little different from other classes?
No, ma'am, just boards and everything that makes kind of pressurized and everything.
Not actually pressurized, beta.
Ma'am,
When it comes
burden.
to examination, why we take it so seriously is there are two, three main reasons which we all need to understand. In the school, when a question paper is given to you people, you call us 10 times. Ma'am is called, sir is called, sir, what does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? So this option finishes when it comes to board examination. You understand a question or you don't understand a question. Nobody is going to help you over there.
Yes,
Number
ma'am.
one. Number two, you're very comfortable in your own school. So when you go and write your exams, you know the school, you know the teachers on duty, you know your
The
class.
environment.
Yes, the environment you're so acquainted with. But when you go for a board examination, you'll have to go to a different school, different people on duty. So a little bit stress automatically comes in and they're not going to listen to you. They're not going to answer any of your queries. So that is another point. The most important point is evaluation. Supposing I'm checking a notebook and I know this child is good, but then I feel, oh, maybe by mistake, this child did not put a full stop or must have not put a comma. Otherwise, the child is good. We generally consider you. Okay, must be this has happened, must be was question paper, the print was not clear, the child could not understand the options, because we know you by name, we know whose paper we are checking. But in board examination, you're just a roll number. Nobody knows you. For the person who's going to check your copy, everybody is the same, just a roll number. Is it okay? You can easily see your copies checked, your answer sheets in school, and you run after a life. Ma'am, half a mark over here, more. I have written this correct. You have given her half mark. But in boards, you cannot question the authorities. So whoever has checked your copy, whatever marks he or she feels is correct, is given to you. You cannot question them. You cannot check them. So you don't think that it is exactly the same. Let me tell you, it is not the same. Sometimes there are mistakes also. When it is board evaluation, there are mistakes, because after all, teachers are human beings, beta. It happens that while we are checking copies, some mistakes are done in evaluation, or some mistakes are done in totaling also. But in school, you have the facility to see your answer sheet and immediately go for it. Ma'am, see, half a mark. Though you have this facility in board exams also, but it is a very complicating process. You need to give a certain amount, supposing 1400 rupees for evaluation of a sheet. Only then your copies are reevaluated. So it is not easy that you go for evaluation of all the 5 subjects, 7 to 8,000 rupees. And after evaluation also, you're not sure. The teacher may say, out of 5 marks, I gave 3 because I feel you deserve only 3. You cannot question the teacher over it. So beta, it is actually not same. You have to study accordingly. School is entirely different. Internals are different, beta. Why I'm giving this lecture to you is because you are very good children. The C section is a very good section, and I expect that you are serious through the year. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, ये मत सोचिए that this year the board has got cancelled, class 10, next year also the same thing will happen. Don't take this in your mind. Don't carry, because just now I took a class in 10th A. They were saying the same thing. अरे मैम, मे बी 4th या 5th वेव आ जाएगा कोविड का, सो हमारा भी एग्जाम कैंसिल हो जाएगा. दे आर होपिंग कि 4th या 5th वेव आ जाएगा, बट ऐसा नहीं है बच्चा. यू स्टिल हैव 1 year to go. You never know तब तक क्या रहता है. You may have vaccination for everybody, so don't go on these.
For children, they have made Sputnik vaccine.
Exactly. So don't think on these lines. Today, because it is the first session, I'm taking up something very simple for you people. I just wanted to talk to you a bit and then I'll start. I'm taking up something very simple with you, a simple comprehension passage, which I did in class 9th. I picked up a passage from class 9th only. I want to see how many of you remember. From the next class, we'll move on officially to our syllabus. Seriously, we'll start with the grammar and the writing section. I'll be
Yes.
first taking grammar. I'll be first taking grammar with you. Is it okay? We'll finish our grammar part. Then we'll move on to side-by-side writing section. And in the last, I'll move on to comprehension. Because comprehensions we can practice in school offline also. Grammar, I want to give you a lot of practice. I hope you know the syllabus distribution. It is 10 marks for grammar, 20
Yes,
marks for comprehension, and 10 marks for the writing section. Shall you read the first 3 paragraphs? Really nice children, read the first 3 paragraphs. Can I have the attendance, please? Aiza?
Present, ma'am.
Aiza, please speak present bit. Aiza Wasim, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Ananya Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Apurva Kohli?
Present, ma'am.
Daksh Kumar? Daksh Kumar? Proxy attendance. Daksh? Daksh Kumar, are you there? He is not there. Very good. Akansha Saxena?
Ma'am, I am here, ma'am, because of
Present, ma'am.
my signal are not stable. That's why there is
Oh,
a
you
new
better make your
that's why.
signal stable. You better make your signal stable now in class 10. Otherwise, you will never
Yes.
be able to become stable. Akansha Saxena,
Present, ma'am.
Gargi,
Present, ma'am.
Himanshu,
Present, ma'am.
जल्दी जल्दी बोलिए. जिज्ञासा,
Present, ma'am.
जुझार,
Present, ma'am.
कनिका, कनिका
Present,
चौहान,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
मनीष सिंह, मनीष, मनीष,
Yes,
absent.
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm here.
No, you better speak early, otherwise I'll mark you absent. जल्दी बोला करो. नैना शर्मा,
Present, ma'am.
Swamini,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Puneet, Samarth,
Present, ma'am.
Srishti, Srishti
Present, ma'am.
Gautam, okay, Stuti,
Present,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Viresh,
Present, ma'am.
and Yash Mehta.
Present, ma'am.
Chaliye, very nice. Please read the first three paragraphs quickly. Let's see
Ma'am,
who is the
Puneet.
winner. What, beta?
Ma'am, I am present.
You are present. I thought you were saying police. I was wondering why you are calling the police. I marked you absent, so you will call the police. Chalo, next time when I take your name, say present at the same time. Don't run away here and there. Where were you? Gone to eat something?
No, ma'am.
When I took your name, where were you? Eating something? Watching TV? Chatting on WhatsApp? What were you doing? Chalo, koi baat nahi. Next time, take care. Hurry up, children. Read the first three paragraphs.
I'm done with the reading of first three paragraphs.
Yes, beta? You read?
I'm done.
Yes, ma'am.
Just scroll a little. First तो सबने ही पढ़ लिया होगा. So let's go down a little. Today we'll have a competition. Let's see who has the maximum score. Let me hide the questions. Oh God, oh God, oh God. This question is still coming. Chaliye, read. Fourth and the fifth as well. And then raise your hands, whoever is ready for the questions. Whoever raises hands, I'll ask back-to-back questions. We'll see what is the score. Then we'll see who's the winner today. I'm waiting. Raise your hand, whoever is confident. I'll hide the passage, then I'll ask.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vita.
Ma'am, does fish have a plural? Like fishes?
Pardon?
Ma'am,
Fishes?
fish, the word fish has a plural,
Oh, Veda,
fishes?
we normally do not use this word. Where did you read this? Did you read this word somewhere?
Yes,
me the
ma'am.
sentence.
It's in the third paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Third paragraph. It's written fishes.
Yes, ma'am. The most exotic sea fishes.
No. Sea fish or species. It could have been species or variety of sea fish. That's always better. You people avoid using fishes. This reminds me, children. What publication have you got for your book? This class 10th English this year? Because last time when I was in school, it wasn't finalized yet. Principal sir was
Ma'am, we
supposed to
still
finalize.
haven't got it.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am,
We
we
still
haven't
haven't
got
got that.
Ma'am, please tell.
Acha, have you purchased sets or how did you buy the books?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, just the
We got some
NCRTs.
old
Ma'am,
books.
Bhaiya Didi.
yes, ma'am, like second hand.
NCRT we have got.
Good, good, very good, very good. That is the best way to do. Ask Bhaiya Didis, and now to all your Bhaiya Didis
Yes,
are so
ma'am.
happy. All of them have been
Ma'am, very,
promoted.
very,
Yes, ma'am,
ma'am.
our brothers
Roaming in the house, ma'am. Very nice.
Everybody is so
like
happy,
teasing
so
us.
happy.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
everybody is really happy. So this year, the Bhaiya Didis of neighborhood also are so happy that they would love to give you their books. They
Doing
are
party
so
doing,
happy.
ma'am. They are.
Yes,
Corona
yes,
gone
ma'am.
very badly. They're doing party.
We do a party. For sure, I know they will do a party. That is it. They will surely do a party. I know that. So they are so happy, they'll surely give you your books. Okay?
Ma'am, but they are
Aram se.
disappointed also.
See,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
very
Like
good
they did
ones, I'll tell
many.
you, the very good ones are disappointed. The ones
Yes,
who worked very, very hard, they are disappointed. And जिन्होंने पूरा मजे किया throughout the year, COVID का पूरा फायदा लिया, they again got a benefit of COVID now.
ma'am, but
I know
still they
some,
also have a disappointment that actually the bases are nation are the pre-boards, so those who haven't given properly, they also are
good,
not.
good, they learn a lesson. They learn a lesson at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Say many students message me, Nave Anand and all these children, ki, sorry ma'am, we did not take the pre-board seriously. I said,
Yes, ma'am.
we kept on telling you, take the pre-board seriously. Why did you not take? Actually, now they're opting for their subjects. They've opted for PCM or PCB. And they're not getting, because on the basis of their pre-board performance, they're not getting. So I got so many messages yesterday. Yeah, ma'am, sorry. We had thought we will do very well in boards. We did not take the pre-boards lightly. We took them. So I said, what can I do, child? Now you must have thought over it again. But I know some students who were trying very hard and they literally cried when this news came. They did not want this system. They wanted boards only. They had worked very hard.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. So it's really sad for them, no doubt. Cherry, let me see who has raised hand, who is confident. Oh my God, Gargi Patel and Naina Sharma. Cherry, Gargi, are you ready? First, I'll ask you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll ask 5 questions. Let me see what is your score. First, I'll ask Gargi, then I'll ask Naina. Okay, I'm hiding this entire thing for you. Yes, Gargi. Answer the first question. Quickly. Answer the
Ma'am,
first question.
option A, Negril Beach.
Speak loudly.
Ma'am, option A, Negril Beach.
No, it is wrong. Second question. Answer the second question.
Ma'am,
Quickly,
can you
quickly.
scroll the screen again?
Beta, sure. Take. Second question.
Ma'am, it's option D, November and mid-December.
This is correct. The third question. True or
Ma'am,
false?
true. Ma'am, true.
Okay. The fourth one.
Ma'am, please scroll the screen.
Yes. Take the fourth and the fifth now.
Ma'am, true.
True. Fifth one.
Ma'am, fifth is false.
Fifth is false. So let's go back to the scores. Gargi gets 4 out of 5. Naina, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Naina, answer the sixth question.
Ma'am, adventurous.
No. Answer the seventh one.
Ma'am, please wait.
I'm waiting only.
Could you please tell which book which we should buy?
Betty, let me discuss with Director Sir today what book has been finalized so that there is uniformity. As of now, please do not buy anything. Let me ask Sir today. I want uniformity because we'll be doing grammar. Then I have problems if there are different books. Hurry up, Naina, your time is done. Tell me the answer for the eighth one.
Ma'am, I'm not able to get.
Okay, 3 you have not been able to answer. The first one she answered wrong. Can you give us the first one?
Ma'am, sprinters and marathon runners.
This is correct. Sprinters and marathon runners. Fine. Tell me the second answer.
Ma'am, it is November and mid-December.
Fine. So your score is 2, my dear, out of 5. Now Akansha is ready. Akansha, should we start? We'll
Yes,
start
ma'am.
from where Naina could not answer. We'll start from here. Give me the answer to the sixth one.
Ma'am, is it a Caribbean island?
Yes, it is a Caribbean island. Perfect. Can we have the seventh one?
Introspection.
Yes, it is introspection. Can we have the eighth one?
Ma'am, let me search. I don't.
Ma'am, may
I don't remember the word.
Okay. Let her find out. Eighth one. It is her turn only. Let her only answer. One by one, I'll be taking. I told you this time we'll have a little different way. I'll show you the first paragraph. That's okay. Yes.
Ma'am, if you have shown the first paragraph, I would also have searched it.
Chalo, never mind. I'll give you a chance again. I'll be showing the
Contemplate.
paragraphs. Yes, contemplate. I'll be showing the paragraph only when I ask these kind of questions where which word in the paragraph means the same as. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll be showing it only for these. So Akansha, 3 are already done for you. So I'll ask you the next one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let me move on to the next one. I'll hide this. Negril has a dash mile long beach.
5 mile long.
5 miles. Perfect. So your score is 4. Name any 2 adventure sports mentioned in the paragraph.
Snorkeling and scuba diving.
Snorkeling and scuba diving. Perfect. See, I just showed her for 1 because those kind of questions need the passage. So she's got 5 out of 5. Very good, Akansha Saxena. Moving on to Pavni now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pavni, very good. Pavni is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Pavni is also ready. Let's ask Pavni a question. Which word in the 5th paragraph means to think deeply?
Ma'am, introspection.
Vida, 5th paragraph. I asked which word means to think deeply. You've given a wrong answer. You said self-introspection. Self-introspection means to think about oneself deeply, not about any other's part.
Ma'am, I said introspection. I did not mention self.
No, beta, introspection is again judging yourself. Introspect means अपने अंदर झांक के देखना.
Okay,
And I
ma'am.
am saying think deeply. Introspect in Hindi is actually introspect. अपने को ही झांक के देखना. To self-analyze.
Okay,
It's a
ma'am.
different word. I'll ask others also. Let me see if I get it. It's a little different word from this we have. I'll ask you next one. Don't worry. Negril Beach should be the favorite place for if you're fond of what? Which kind of people generally prefer to go to Negril Beach? If they're fond of
Ma'am, sea lovers.
sea lovers, exact. Okay, never mind. Which word in the 5th paragraph means the noise of the city?
Ma'am, hustle and bustle.
Very good. Hustle and bustle. Let's move on to the next one. Let's do this one now. Let's come to the first paragraph. Which word in the first paragraph means the most liked?
Ma'am, ideal.
The most liked, not perfect. When I say the most perfect, it's ideal. But when I say most liked in first paragraph, Can anybody give the answer since she's given the wrong answer?
Ma'am, favorite.
Yes, it is.
Ma'am, favorite.
Yes. So how many you got correct, Pavni? 3?
Cheesy words can be also asked.
3 you got na beta?
Yes, ma'am. One was hustle and bustle. One was
Yes.
this.
Matlab you got 3 correct. That's what I remember. We have more people coming on. Manthan. Manthan is ready. Manthan, are you ready? Yes or no? Manthan, should I start asking? Some problem in his audio or what? Anyways, I'll move on to Isa. We'll get back to Manthan later. Isa, you're ready?
Yes, ma'am.
When the beach was described, the 5-mile long beach, the water was also described. What kind of a water you'll find here? Which kind of a sea is it? 5-mile long beach was described. In the same line, we described the sea also. What was the word? Does anyone have this answer?
Ma'am, calm.
Yes, very good. It was calm sea. Very good, very good. Okay. The author mentions that if you want to have a calm stay, okay, you can stay at, yes, Isa, what does he suggest? You can stay at dash near the beach. What?
Ma'am, the hotels along the beach.
The hotels along the beach. So you've got 2 points. Come to paragraph 4. Which word means to find more about? First let her try, then others will get a chance. Yes, it is explore. Next question. Which word in the 4th paragraph means the same as help?
Ma'am, guides. Guides.
No. Help.
Ma'am, can you please explain? Can you please repeat this question?
Which word in the 4th paragraph means the same as help?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, assistance.
Yes, it is
Ma'am,
assist.
assistance.
Very good, very
Complete
good.
assistance.
Who gave this answer?
Ma'am, guardian.
Gagi. Okay, beta, what was the word you
Ma'am,
told me
Naina
earlier?
also.
Ma'am, I said guides.
Okay. So which one would be more perfect, beta?
Ma'am, assistance.
Assistant.
Which word in the paragraph 4 means somebody who knows his or her work very nicely? Somebody who knows
Ma'am,
his or her
professional.
work. Professional. Very good. It is professional. So what's your score?
Ma'am, 3.
Okay. Isa has got 3. So as of now, we have Akansha winning the race. She's got 5. Who else would like to take this challenge? So many are there. Apurva, Jigyasa, Jujhar, Puneet, Viresh. Come on, raise your hands. Only these people? Just 5 girls in the class who are confident.
Ma'am, you said
What
you
are
will
we?
give me a chance again.
We'll give a chance to Naina again. We can do that surely. So Naina, this time you're ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Pakka.
Yes, ma'am.
The author says that if you're not afraid of depth, then the best adventure for you will be
Deep sea driving.
the
Ma'am,
author
deep.
says deep sea.
Ma'am, deep sea driving.
No, this is not the correct answer.
I'm sorry,
And
sorry.
you
Ma'am, deep sea fishing.
no, it's mentioned over here. Anybody can give me the answer?
Ma'am, scuba
Ma'am,
diving.
scuba diving.
It's scuba diving.
Scuba diving.
Not very good. You're not afraid of the depth. Then scuba diving offers here you a great adventure. Is it okay? What was the correct answer, Naina?
Ma'am, scuba diving.
Okay. Which is the peak season for tourists at this place? Peak season.
Ma'am, it is ma'am, November and mid-December.
Do you agree with the answer, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, this is not the correct answer. Naina, today your luck is not favoring you. Yes,
Ma'am,
what is
I
the
don't
correct
know what
answer?
is happening.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
January
January
and
and
March.
March.
January and
Yes,
March.
very good. Time between January and March. Okay, Naina, which word in paragraph 2 means the same as maximum?
Wait.
Which word in paragraph 2 means the same as maximum?
Ma'am, peak.
Yes, it is peak. This time you got it correct. What is the correct answer?
Ma'am, peak.
Yes, it is peak. So out of 3 questions, you already got first one at least correct. No issues. There is nothing to worry. Now, if you're fond of scuba diving, snorkeling, then what facilities are available here? It is mentioned some facilities that this is available. What facilities are available?
Ma'am, there are guides to help, to guide us for the scuba diving.
Is this the perfect answer?
No, ma'am.
No. We'll give no, this is not the correct answer. Who will give me the correct answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, the equipments.
Perfect, perfect. The gears and the equipments. It was very clearly mentioned over here. If you read, children, see. Where is it? Here. Fine. What will you get? You'll get proper gears and equipments. Clear, beta? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Which two things, Naina, take you away from the hustle and bustle of the city? There were two adjectives mentioned for this place, which take you away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Two adjectives mentioned for the place.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, the calm and the serenity of the place.
Which two pleasures have been mentioned in the passage, which you will get if you stay at a hotel somewhere near the beach? Two
Ma'am,
pleasures have been.
ma'am, the sunset. We will be pleasured by seeing the sunset,
Yes, and there was one more.
and from the we will be free from the hustle and bustle of the city.
Okay. So one is the sunset, the best sunset that you had of your life. It's very clearly mentioned that that would be the best sunset you've had in your life. Good one. Very good. Is there someone else who's ready? Then what was your score now? 3 or 4?
Ma'am, I think 3.
Oh my. Better than what we did before. Yes. Who is coming up next? Chaliye, hurry up. I want more people. Okay, let's have it in general. Last 3-4 minutes. Let's make it a general open questionnaire round. Let us see. Whoever answers can answer. Everyone is ready? What word in the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
paragraph means lot of people coming together as a group?
Ma'am, flock.
Yes,
Ma'am,
perfect.
flock.
It is flock. Too good, very good. Next, which word in the second paragraph means well known for?
Famous.
Ma'am,
Famous.
famous.
Good, very good. It is famous. Too
Famous.
good. Yes. Next question now. We're moving on to the next one now. If you are new for adventure sports, what is suggested? What should you do?
Ma'am, we
We
should
should
take
take a
a
guide
local
with
guide.
us.
Yes,
take
very
that
good.
Local ride.
We should take a local guide. Very, very
Right.
good. Very good. Can you tell me one or two reasons why Jamaica has been such a favorite of the sea lovers around the globe? Any one, two
Because
reasons?
it
Because of
has
its
And
calm
because
sea
it-
exotic
and clean
fish.
beaches.
Because it offers a great
water.
escape from the noises of the city life. Like we feel
It
very
has a
calm
very
going there.
it has a diverse
Mhm.
ecosystem because of which there are exotic creatures there.
Oh, yes. What does the word exotic mean? This reminds me. Let me discuss this with you people. What is exotic?
Ma'am, which is very
Special.
rare.
Species out of India.
Yes, yes. Not
Ma'am,
out.
and
Actually,
very
yes.
foreign.
Foreign, very rare in India. You're going to find it. How is the beach described? Two speech features of the beach have been mentioned. One she had already given when I asked Akansha one question. That was the length of the beach. How much was it?
Ma'am,
5
5
miles.
miles.
5
Ma'am, it has calm
How is-
water. This is
And the
It has
second,
calm
It
Ma'am,
has
water.
a
clear
calm
sand
water.
it
beaches.
has calm water.
all of
And
you told
clear
me that the
sand.
best time to visit Negril is what? Between
January to March.
Ma'am, November and
November to
November and
mid-December.
mid-December.
yes, November and mid-December. There was one more reason which was mentioned. This is the best time, and this is which other time?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
peak.
rates are low.
Yes,
Ma'am,
cheapest
It's the
time.
cheapest.
Yes, this is the best time and this is the cheapest time. So do all the tourists go at this time only?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
They generally don't go at this time. Then when do they go?
Ma'am,
January
January
and
and
March.
January and March.
Between.
January and March.
Yes, it is February and March. So you see, there is a difference. They just don't go when it is cheap. So Beta, next time when we have a next class, we'll start with the proper syllabus. As of now, it was just a first interactive class with you people, the first serious class that we had online. So I want the same strengths to continue always. The number should not go down, Beta. Is it okay for all?